Okay, guys. Yeah, we still have the old Monte Carlo, but here's the new car. Not quite 40 miles to the gallon, but it's a Chevy Cobalt. I've gotten 37 out of it. A little bit of rust, which if I get to that here pretty quick, I can get that taken care of. Oh, look. I think a cat kind of made his mark on here. I gotta wash it. I got some of that off. It was a lot worse. It needs waxed. This was my sister's car. I picked it up for a decent price. See, there's about the only spots of rust on it. This got the 2.2 liter. And here's the inside. Interior's in decent shape. Back seat ain't bad, other than the dog hair. She likes animals, so that's what that's about there. She's got, I think, 3 dogs. See if I can get this hood open with one hand. It's got the Ecotec. It's been taken pretty good care of. One thing I didn't check when I got it was the air filter. Holy cow. Boy, I'm gonna look stupid on camera doing this. Okay. We're gonna pause for a moment. Okay, apparently they don't like checking the oil. I don't know where she took this to have this service, but apparently they don't pull the dipstick. It was full. I mean, the oil wasn't too bad. Well, shoot, I gotta find a rag. But the air filter, I did find this, and I know they weren't changing that. So we'll get over here, get back in here, try not to get oil everywhere. Hey, there's what I need, a napkin. Okay. I got a mess in here. Come around to the back. Oh. And this is the LS, so. Oh. Well, there's my target clays. Oh, that's not good. I got a transmission filter for it. We gotta do that. Oh, my big old finger was right in the way. Oh, cat litter box still in here. Okay, we're good now. But I did find this, and I'm still getting my big ass finger in the way. Excuse my language. I don't think that's ever been changed. Somehow I got 37 miles to the gallon off that sucker. At least it hadn't been changed in a while. There's not a whole lot of airflow going through that sucker. Let's see if we can hold it up to the sun. Very little light coming through that. That's definitely needed replaced. That's one thing I found. This is why I don't trust mechanics. I mean, the simplest little thing, you say you're going to change it, you charge somebody for it, and this is what they get. I think that's a bunch of BS. But we're eventually going to get that changed. I'm going to stick this back in here. But I wanted to show you guys this. Just a quick video, which I'm going to have to edit since I cussed in it. Yay! So, have a great, wonderful day. Please like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys later. That's it for me. I'm out.